G'day there, I'm Jess. Welcome to day 3 of the Etsy Shop Spring Clean Challenge. Today we are going to work on a very visible but sometimes overlooked area of our shop, and that is our shop sections. So you want to make sure that your section names are clear and concise and precise and describe exactly what people are going to find in that section. I sometimes see people making whimsical shop sections or like putting capitals with dots in between them to make it look pretty or something. Don't do that. You're wasting valuable SEO juice if you do that. You want to make sure that those shop sections basically act as second level keywords for your shop. First level being like your tagline, and then second level being those sections, because they tell people what they are going to find and they tell the search algorithm what it's going to find in your shop. Now, one frustrating thing about the shop sections on Etsy is you can't list something in more than one shop section. This can make things a little bit tricky when it comes to deciding what those sections are going to be and what's going to go where, because you might have products that would potentially fit in more than one section. Now, there is one tricksy way around this if you want to try it, and that is if you have a product that fits in 2 sections, duplicate the product. But when you duplicate the product, don't just make it exactly the same. Use that duplicated product in order to run what's called an A/B split test. So what you want to do is on the second version of that product, you want to change something about it. Maybe it's the thumbnail, maybe it's your title, maybe it's your tags. And then over time, you'll be able to see which one of those products does better in Etsy search. This is an interesting way to work out what tweaks you can make that are actually going to have an impact. And of course, it doubles the benefit in that when somebody clicks on either of the sections, they're still going to find that product that's relevant in both places. So today I want you to take a step back and look at the sections you have. Are they precise, concise, and do they tell people what your shop is all about and what they're going to find? Do you need to redo your sections? Maybe you want to add more, maybe you want to take some away. I mean, I do advocate for using as many of those as possible, simply because, as I said, they act like additional keywords in your shop. But don't just create sections that don't make any sense, obviously. Then take a look at your products. Make sure the right products are in the right section, picking the one that is most applicable, even if it fits in more than one. And if you want to try the split test thing, duplicate that product, change something, the thumbnail, title, or tags, and then put that duplicated version in the alternative section that also works for it. I'll give you my shop as an example of the sections that I have. I updated these a couple of years ago now. I think I originally just had like wedding rings, bracelets, but I'm not using all of the sections, and I'm not using those keyword spots that I have there to the best advantage. So I actually went into more detail in my sections, as you can see, and broke them down a little bit more. That means I hit more searches, and it also means that my customers can more easily find exactly what they're looking for in my shop. Now, throughout this challenge, I've been mentioning here and there, and I will continue to mention here and there, little things that impact your SEO on Etsy and your ability to get found in search. If you want more information on that and you want to find out the whole shebang all at once, I have a whole in-depth workshop that I did as part of the Etsy U program. I'm going to have another one coming up this year, so when I do that, I'll update this, but I'll put a card to that here and a link to it in the description below. And that is a really in-depth workshop that I did in conjunction with Etsy. So the information in that workshop is directly from Etsy themselves. It's not speculation, it's not me guessing, it's information straight from Etsy, them telling you exactly what you need to do to improve your SEO. So if you need more help with that, make sure to go check out that workshop. All right, that is it for day 3. Go forth, work on those sections. Let me know in the comments below when you've completed the challenge. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the challenge to let me know. I'd love to hear from you how you're going so far. And make sure, of course, if you want to share this on Instagram, to tag me at Create and Thrive so I can check it out, and use the challenge hashtags as well. I hope you can come and join me again tomorrow for day 4. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future videos in the challenge. I'll catch you again tomorrow. Bye for now.